Imagine doing projects that constantly exceed expectations, not because of a certification, but because you know how to read, adapt, and get things done. Certifications don't run projects, people do. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're busting a common assumption that certifications like PMP or Scrum Master automatically make you a great project manager. They don't. They're useful, sure, but yes, they're not the whole story. Let's talk about where real PM reviews come from. You've probably seen this, right? Everyone's racing to get certified, PMP, Scrum Master, SAFe, and the whole list goes on, right? HR filters, pushes it, job ads demand it, and let's face it, there is a bit of FOMO. But here's the truth.
You want answers?
Let me give you an example. A friend of mine proudly passed the PMP exam, and that's no small feat, right? But when they started the first project, they couldn't run a stakeholders meeting. Why? Because real-world delivery needs more than theory. Too often, project management gets reduced to this. Follow the process, manage the schedule, control budget. But great PMs do much more. They solve problems, they navigate messy stakeholders politics, adapt under pressure, and rally teams around common goals. I've seen PMs prevent full-blown disasters by catching hidden risks early, mediating conflicts between execs and tech teams, clarifying ambiguous scope before it delays the project. These are invisible skills. Strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, listening, escalating early, knowing when to push and when to hold back. Let's talk real outcomes. Case 1, a PM on a product launch spotted inefficiencies in the go-to-market plan. By flagging and realigning the team, they shaved off 3 weeks, saving the company millions in ad spend, right? Case 2, a tech integration project was months behind. Senior PM steps in, re-scoped the deliverables, re-engaged the vendors, and got it ahead of the schedule and under budget. These wins don't come from a textbook. They come from judgment, experience, and the ability to read under pressure. So yes, certifications have their place. They open doors. They build baseline knowledge. But they don't define you. What defines you is your ability to deliver, to align people, to de-risk outcomes, to bring clarity where everyone else sees chaos. If you want to become that kind of PM, focus on building real-world capability and not just collecting certificates or badges, let me know in the comments. What do you think the most underrated PM skill is? And if you're new here, subscribe for no more fluff project management insights.